Is it the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of Alibaba. We previously shared an overview on our website, but today, we're going to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on all our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. You can now tap into the power of artificial intelligence to get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 16, 2023, our system has identified Alibaba as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.12. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -3%. This means that on average, it has been declining at a rate of -0.37% per day since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, which could present a great opportunity to buy. If the lower trend floor at $74.84 is broken, it may indicate a stronger decline. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -12.63% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -14.80% to -2.66%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a -12.74% change over the next year, with a potential return between -19.54% and 22.05%. This means the stock price could range from $61.75 to $93.66 after 1 year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings some concerning news. Alibaba stock has been downgraded to a strong sell candidate. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, the Alibaba stock price experienced a decline of 1.02%, dropping from $77.53 to $76.74. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $75.27 and a high of $76.84, showing a 2.09% variation. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a significant loss of 6.71%. Although the volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $1.72 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, amounting to 22 million shares. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $121.30, while the lowest was $75.27. Currently, the price is 36.74%, equivalent to $44.56, below the 52-week high, and 75.97%, equivalent to $242.58, below the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when it reached $319.32. Analyst ratings. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Alibaba a rating of overweight with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Mizuho Securities gave Alibaba a rating of buy with a recommendation to hold. Another rating came from Benchmark on Friday, November 17, 2023. They gave Alibaba a rating of buy with a recommendation to hold. Going back to Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark also gave Alibaba a rating of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Susquehanna gave Alibaba a rating of positive with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, let's take a closer look at Alibaba and its current signals. Unfortunately, there are few to no technical positive signals for Alibaba right now. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences any upward corrections, it will likely face resistance at the lines drawn at $78.10 and $82.37. However, if the stock manages to break through these levels, it could potentially issue buy signals. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a significant minus 11.86% decline so far. This indicates a further potential fall until a new bottom pivot is discovered. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose while prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's recommended to closely monitor the stock in light of these developments. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that you should pay attention to. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 11 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 57 days ago. Moreover, the relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 44 days ago. Remember, if you want to find more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to support, there is no accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Moving on to risk, Alibaba has average movements during the day. However, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the stock's performance, it moved $1.57 between its high and low in the last day, which is equivalent to 2.09%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.67%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, potentially creating a buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $2.86. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing some key day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $77.60. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached. For those who already own shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. It's important to note that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. As a precaution, it's recommended to proceed with caution, especially if you're not an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba currently shows several negative signals and is in a falling trend. Based on this, we believe it will continue to underperform in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Additionally, there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to downgrade our analysis from a sell to a strong sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, November 29th, we expect Alibaba to open with a decrease of $0.457 and start trading at $76.28. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided here, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment actions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also interested in knowing your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.